Ever wanted to sound like a robot, a cartoon character, or just throw a silly voice into your next online chat? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to transforming your voice on your PC and laptop. Whether you're looking to amp up your gaming sessions, add a unique flair to your streams, or simply have some fun with friends online, a voice changer is your secret weapon. We'll walk you through how to find and install some of the best voice changer software available, completely free, and get you sounding hilarious in no time. First, let's head over to your web browser. We're going to do a simple search for free voice changer software for PC. You'll find a variety of options, so take a moment to browse, look for software with good reviews and recent updates. Once you've found a program you like, click the download button. Most of these are straightforward to install, just like any other application you'd put on your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. It's usually a matter of clicking next, accepting the terms, and choosing where you want to save it. Now for the fun part, open up your newly installed voice changer. You'll typically see a range of preset voices like robot, deep voice, chipmunk, and more. Simply select the voice you want. To test it out, make sure your microphone is selected as the input device within the software settings, and then just start talking. Listen as your voice transforms instantly. Surprise your gaming teammates, prank your friends on a video call, or create entirely new characters for your streams. The possibilities for fun and creativity are endless. So go ahead, download a voice changer, and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome PC tips.